So those who already are members or users of EliteSwap, there's tutorial is for you so that you have a broad idea about how to go about things on a dashboard. So let's say you logging and this is your dashboard. They cannot everything on a dashboard. So if you have your referral code, it is entered over there. And there is a tutorial for the free trial. Sometimes they may be out, sometimes they may be filled. And if you think you really need a free trial because you want to make a purchase, you can actually send us a direct message. Or you can send us a message on Telegram. So for paid usings, this is the tutorial, but I'm making these videos to make everything very, very clear. As you can see, this is basically the whole point of how to go about it in your dashboard. Yeah. So with the paid users, whenever you disconnect your session, your minutes are attained coming. And there are other plans, a basic, popular, enterprise, and if you want something very high, just contact it. And if you think you want to make another purchase, you click it and then you access the PTC or the BNB addresses and the actual price to be sent. You can scan the QR code or you can copy the address. After you've done payment, you're done paying, you just paste your payment hash here and then you click the submit BTC hash for verification. And you're gonna be verified in minutes. So for rejected payment to appear like this, for confirmed payment it also appears like this. And then you have your API keys, you copy your API key and then you launch the studio. Don't forget to leave and review, Yeah, so you paste your API key you copied earlier into this and then you click to open. Over here, we have the camera feed and we have the output feed. It can actually paste a reference image over here, and you can also type your preferred prompt. Maybe you want to turn into a zombie or a cat, maybe a cyborg, who knows? Yeah. So this is what a studio looks like. Then you gotta open your OBS, So you have your OBS and your EliteSwap Studio opens. You just drag and drop the link directly into the OBS and then it appears here. EliteSwap. So yeah, this is the output feed. It is blank because you're not streaming anything currently, so you can click on the connect and then you allow the permissions of the camera and the microphone anyhow you want it. So, after you connect, this is what you're gonna see. You click on the reference, you may just select your image like this, a few seconds, and it is going to be transformed into the picture that is selected. So here we're gonna make a WhatsApp call and you're gonna see the output feed right here. So this is what the owl person is gonna see while you're just behind, Yeah, so this is all it is about. So simple, easy to do. If you think you got stuck anywhere, any step, you can message us directly or you can actually text us on Telegram. Here, if you saw our WhatsApp number 2, you can take it and then text. They're gonna guide you in any step that I think you got mixed up. Thank you.